feel much like waiting till tomorrow to paint it, so I just went ahead and did it. Yeah, I mean, it's a pretty quick paint job, just some flat black, threw a couple layers on there, and should be good by tomorrow. While the paint finishes drying, I'm going to take some of the hardware and clean it out, especially the Floyd Rose. It's like really grimy. Yeah. Just gotta wait for paint to dry, do that, and go from there. So I finished cleaning out the Floyd Rose, and it's actually not bad at all. When I first got it, it was really grimy, and honestly I thought it was gonna be like rusted out, you know, because it's been sitting forever. It looks like, well, that's what it looks like, it's been sitting forever. But no rust at all. It's actually really clean, both on the bottom and top, everywhere, so that's nice. It's got a lot of tread left on wherever, I don't know what those are called, but yeah, like not all worn out or anything. Other than that, there's a couple things that are that need to get fixed. So like the input jack's messed up, but after fixing all that, see how it goes. Still not sure if I'm going to keep the pickup or not, but maybe I'll just wait to see what it sounds like, and if it's trash, then I'll just swap it out. If not, I'll keep it. We'll see.
And I bring you fire. I send you to burn.
Now that that's done, the paint on the neck should be done, should be dried up by now, so just got to put everything back together.
She walked out with that neon machine gun in her hand. She is good, she is bad, no one understands. She walked in loose salon, never spoke a word. She's got a rich daddy, she's a daddy's girl. She loves Dixie, she loves Dixie, she loves rock and roll, way out growing up.
So I finished taking all the tape off. You could see in that last video I had a bunch of grime still on it and stuff, so I gave it a good cleaning. And this is the end result. I really like it. And I left that little part right there without paint so that it fits perfectly back in the pocket of the body. Yeah, really like the way it turned out. So next step, just gotta put this back on.